Hey guys, I'm back today with the Wasacaca recipe, which is a typical sauce used in the Dominican Republic to give flavor to basically anything from veggies to all types of meats. So there's two types of Wasacaca sauce. One is the regular traditional that is done in the Dominican Republic, and the other one is the one that I'm going to be making, which is I'm be adding a little bit of spiciness to it, just because not only because I like a little bit spicy on almost everything, but it also adds a lot of flavor. Here's what I'm going to be using today. I'm going to be using some vinegar, olive oil, sea salt, fresh picked oregano, and I'm gonna come back to that. Some garlic, some limes, please limes, not lemons. And for I'm gonna be putting some jalapenos. Now the trick about the jalapenos, so they are not too spicy, is I remove all the seeds. Because if you leave the seeds and you mix it up with that, it's gonna have an extra kick, which I don't intend it to. Last but not least, there was two more that I didn't include before, but I just wanted to mention, which it was the cilantro and recao, which is another form of cilantro that is also available in the Caribbean and in some of the supermarkets that are quite extended on their Latin American supplies. So oregano. This is actually fresh picked oregano, and as you can see, there are some residuals from the plant, and that's the way it is collected. It's not grinded, or it's not made into like a dusty, which is normally what you see at the supermarket. This, guys, if you're able to find it on any sort of health good stores or anything like that, buy it because the flavor, it's amazing. Now for this, I'm going to be making it on a very small container on my blender, which is about a cup regular 16 to 18 ounce sort of cup. And the reason why I don't do so much is because I like to keep it consistent as far as the flavor, and if I tend to do too much at the same time, I have to play a lot around with the vinegar, with the lime and the salt and the different flavors. So this is pretty much what I'll use for about 2 cups of these. So I'll half everything to make 2 portions. So now I have added the garlic, jalapenos, oregano. I squeezed 1 whole lime into this, and I'm gonna be adding about a third. I'm gonna fill it up at about a third of the way with vinegar, then about half a cup of olive oil, and then the rest, it will be what I put it in, and now it's ready to go. So you can blend it in for about 30 seconds just to make sure that everything gets really liquefied. And then you can open it up for taste. I added about a couple of teaspoons of the sea salt just to make sure that it's not, with the addition of the water, doesn't get too bland. Now I have liquefied the contents, and now I'm ready to put it into my little container that I used for the Wasacaca sauce. Well guys, here's the finished product. I was able to get it into this particular container, which was an all used orange juice, and I prefer to use this so you guys can see the consistency of it and the color, and can't wait for you guys to give me your comments about if you like it or not. Well guys, that's it for today. Hopefully you learned quite easily how to do the Wasacaca sauce. Don't forget to subscribe, like my page, and I'll see you guys on the next video.